beak goes right on top of it. Hello and welcome to another Niner Peak video. In this video we're going to see how we're going to protect the beautiful new headlight on 1300 GS. Beautiful? Well, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, so it's beautiful to me. A lot of people, especially the hardcore 1250 GS guys, are going to hate that one because they like the asymmetric version of it. But believe me, this headlight is super bright. It's very bright and the high beam goes way too far. So we want to protect this assembly by adding this little plastic on top of it. It's a very hardened plastic, so it's going to fit something like this, right? This is acrylic, so it will fit right on here. But the assembly for this, if you look at it, it has these 4 holes, right? And they're gonna have some kind of mounting mechanism which will go inside the beak here. So what we gotta do first is take the beak out and then figure our way on how to mount this cover on top of it. Perfectly done. That's how the rivet looks like. It's a plastic rivet. All you do is just put it in there, right? Nothing fancy. Okay, come on. You're not that tough. Maybe a different angle. All right. It's very hard to do this with the camera in the hand. A little wiggle. Come on. A little space. And out. There it is. It's that easy. You just need right tools. Like don't waste your time in screwing or unscrewing. It kind of looks like a Torx screw, but it's plastic. It's not metal. So you need like a good tool to get it out. Those 2 things are the only things holding this beak together. So let's pop it out. So I did this yesterday. 1, 2, 3 pops on this side. There's gonna be 3 more on this side. So they're like somewhat here. 1, 2, and 3. 1. Okay, a little tighter. 2. 3. There you go. These 3 are done. This panel has nothing to do with this big one. This big one actually has a screw underneath. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you once it's out. All right, so I'm gonna need both of my hands and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so just like that, this thing came out. So I just want to show how these are, right? You got first click, second, third, then you got 4th up here and 5th here. Okay, same on this side. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No screws. Okay, and this thing has these little notches. You see, with my pinky I'm pointing. These 2 notches go right here. Okay, right on that one. And that's it. That takes the whole beak off. Believe it or not. So this came with some weird parts. So the one with L shape, those will go on top side. This is also L shape, but it's kind of standing on itself. So that one is going to go on the bottom. So this is the setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's gonna go here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's kind of easy how it goes. It's just kind of simple assembly, so I'm going to do it here with the camera in my hand. Let's see. This pin just goes right in, fits right on top of this, easy enough. And then this thing will go here. I didn't bring my action cam. I should have brought my action cam and a necklace so I can use both my hands, but whatever. You get the idea. All I'm trying to do is just sharing the knowledge. Again, this is a cheap acrylic, but very super hard cover for a, I don't know, $1,000, $1,500 headlight. I think it's worth it, you know. I spent around, I don't know, $25, $30 on this one. Came straight from China, and it's easy. I'm gonna tighten that up. Okay, so that one doesn't go in. You see there? It's not like perfectly aligned. Let's try swapping these two. All right, so here we go. We got this one fixed, this one fixed, this one fixed, this one fixed. The hole over here is a little bit misaligned, but it's okay. You can be gentle, but still push through it. From the rear, it looks like this, right? So my guess is these would be still sticking out. And over here, it looks like that. It's like still sticking out. That's fine. It's not hindering anything. We're gonna put the beak back on. Again, pushing back. First tab, second tab, third one went in as well. One on top that went in as well. There's one here that went in as well. When you put it back on, you should see consistent panel gap on both sides. Right? If it's not consistent, you messed up. And try it again. So this is how they look like. They're not moving. I mean, it's set on plastic, so they'll move a little bit. But I'm not a fan of this. Like, look, it's touching the, or maybe not. I'm just overthinking. When you're installing this particular fastener here, you get the big tube one. I don't know what this is called, but this has a rubber coating that goes on the bottom because that touches the acrylic from the behind. The top one is a screw, so you want to make sure that you add this rubber washer in the between, right? So you make sure that you're not damaging the acrylic. And that's it. And then you do this 4 times, and then this one goes over there on the mounting mechanism. It becomes just easy. What we're gonna do is just put this thing in for the whole assembly. You got the screw, the rubber washer, and the, I don't know, actually the other side of the screw. You put this in. The one below just popped out, and then you just screw it in. This rubber is gonna pull up and it's gonna hold this mount, and that's how you install this thing. This is how the final product looks like. Pretty neat. The only thing that's left is put these 2 rivets back on. Make sure you're not pressing on the bottom part. Press to the middle thing, and then once it's all the way in, you press it up, and that's it. That holds it. Don't press on the bottom, press it inside first. It's all the way in, and once it's in, then press it from the bottom side. That's it. It looks very neat. It sits flush. The panel gaps are consistent. I like that. I mean, wouldn't expect that from Alibaba, you know? It's like a, you know, Amazon of basically the world. The whole world orders from there. But it fits perfectly. Looks like factory installed. Well, so that was the installation video. It's hot outside. If you gained some knowledge from the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Until next time, not a peek. Peace out.